Hi guys, this is Meherzad Karanjia and I'm going to walk you through some of the most common mistakes brands make when you're trying to do SEO. The first one being that everyone likes to rank for a keyword which has humongous search volume. That's a mistake in my opinion. Never look at a keyword in isolation. Look at the keyword along with its search volume and the relevance it has to your brand. A keyword that can answer a user question is always far more valuable than a short tail keyword. So let me give you an example. A keyword such as digital marketing is valuable for IIDE, but a keyword such as digital marketing course in Andheri is like super valuable because now this person is probably going to enroll into a course because it's looking for a course in Andheri, and guess what? We are in Andheri too. Another common mistakes that brands do is they don't spend enough time thinking of the navigation that they will have on their website. If the navigation on your website is very structured and clear so that users can follow it, Google too finds it very easy to navigate through your website. And if you're wondering why I'm saying this, think of it. The only thing common across your entire site is your website header. Now, if the links in your website header are consistent, then it becomes extremely simple for Google to discover all the pages on your site if it discovers any one page. Another mistake that I've seen brands do is they overemphasize on the content on your website, but they forget that on the Google search engine result page, you have video content, you have image-based content, you have location-based content, and you have PR sites that rank when you're searching for a news article. So instead of just overburdening your website with information, why not invest in creating videos which are hosted on YouTube? Or why not invest in beautiful pictures which are added to your website? Videos, images, and PR done on third-party sites all have an equal chance of ranking on Google. If you can do a good mix of all these resources, then your chances of ranking on a relevant keyword become that much higher. So for example, if someone is looking for a shade or a color of your product variant, your image could probably rank. Or if someone is looking for how to use your product, your video could probably rank. So you see where I'm coming from? Divide the load of ranking across multiple resources. And the last advice that I have for most startups and leading brands is have a blog. Because a blog gives you infinite possibilities to create fresh content. You can keep adding new content around trends and possibilities that maybe your website wouldn't allow you to do, because your website is a very closed structure, right? It has a fixed navigation. You can't keep adding new stuff to it. While a blog can just keep getting richer and richer by the day. So that's it from me. Hope you found this useful. And if you did, I have some more good news for you. If you scroll down to the description of this video, there's a far more detailed course waiting for you. Enroll today and let me know what you think of it. And before that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you again soon.